Our festival is real strongly based on old-timey music as well as bluegrass and folk music, and this band represents old-timey music in the authentic way.
We're very honored to be here. Okay, we're going to start off with one called Leather Breeches. I tell you, after the Neighbors Band were kind of a shock, I know, because we play a whole different type of music, but did they not do a great job? I love their band.
Yeah, we'll do that if you want to.
Okay, yeah, we'll do one called Walking in My Sleep, which Jacob does a lot of.
Literally.
I got up this morning, the refrigerator door was standing wide open. He sleepwalks and sleep eats.
See my baby, tell her if you please, when she's baking biscuits to roll up her dirty sleeves. Walking in my sleep, baby, walking in my sleep, up and down that Dixie line, walking in my sleep. Yonder comes my baby, how do you think I know? I tell her by her pretty little curls hanging down below. Walking in my sleep, baby, walking in my sleep, up and down that Dixie line, walking in my sleep.
biscuits, baby, bake 'em good and brown. When I've had my breakfast, I'm Alabama bound. Walking in my sleep, baby, walking in my sleep. Up and down that Dixie line, walking in my sleep. One more. Pain in my finger, pain in my toe, pain in my ankle bone, ain't gonna work no more. Walking in my sleep, baby, walking in my sleep. Up and down that Dixie line, walking in my sleep. Thank you. Thank you so much. You want to do What a Friend We Have in Jesus? If you know the words, just help us out. What a friend we have in Jesus. All our sins and griefs to bear. What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. Oh, what peace we often forfeit. Oh, what needless pain we bear. All because we do not carry everything to God in prayer. Have we trials and temptations? Is there trouble anywhere? We should never be discouraged. Take it to the Lord in prayer. And we find a friend so faithful who will all our sorrows share. Jesus knows our every weakness. Take it to the Lord in prayer. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's do Red Wing.
Red Wing?
Where's your hanky? There it is.
Yeah, we can do
Look.
Red Wing.
Okay.
Be fun.
Jacob has been influenced a lot by a great artist, an old artist called Rafe Brady from up our way in the Virginia, well, the Galax and the Boundary area. And he only did one album, and it was called Cherokee Rose, and one of our favorites, too. Did he record this one on it? Okay, but I know he wrote this one. It's called Red Wing. He married a lady from Cherokee, and he wrote this song about his Cherokee Indian mate.
Talking about Cherokee Rose.
Oh, that's right, I am. You're right. I'm sorry. That's my bad.
But
He
we
wrote
can do
Cherokee
Redbird.
Rose. I think you should do Cherokee Rose,
Yeah,
since
do
I
that
already
one.
laid that big introduction.
All right.
Okay, we can do two. We can do Red Wing and Cherokee. Okay, this is going to be Cherokee Rose, and then we'll do Red Wing. They're both about Indians. I mean, Americans.
Way down in North Carolina, down in Cherokee, lives that little Indian woman, she's meant for me. She's my little North Carolina girl. They call
Okay, now we'll do the other song I messed up. It's called Red Wing, and it's about an Indian maid, too.
A good dancer lined up out there.
Thank you. Okay. Now we'll do a poultry song. We'll do a little bit. Now, Rafe Brady did this one too, didn't he?
He did do this one.
I won't mess this one up too bad. This is called Cackling Hen. Thank you. What?
Westphalia.
Okay. We'll slow it down a little bit and do a waltz
hold.
called Westphalia Waltz. and bread and then go to okay. We're going to do a tune called Spencer's Reel, which was written by Mr. Thornton Spencer of the White Top Mountain Band. Good dance tune if anybody feels like dancing. I know it's kind of hot probably on the boards, but... Thank you. Okay, this is one I learned, I sang. Somebody sang it to me when I was a little girl, called Shortening Bread. If y'all know it, you can help me sing it.
Okay.
If you want me to, you want me to?
Yeah, I'd rather you just do it. I'll follow you.
Three little children lying in bed, two are sick and the other half dead. Called for the doctor said, feed those children some shortening bread. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Put on the skillet, slip on the lid, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. That ain't all she's gonna do, Mama's gonna make a little coffee too. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. When those children sick in bed heard that talk about shortening bread, popped up well to dance and sing, skipped around to cut the pigeon wing. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Slipped to the kitchen, lifted that lid, stole me a piece of that shortening bread. Stole the skillet, stole the lid, stole the gal making shortening bread. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Mama's little baby loves shortening, Mama's little baby loves shortening bread. Thank you. You want to go to A or D? Huh? A chord? Okay. Okay, this is a tune called Breaking Up Christmas. Is that the one way up here?
Hooray, Dick, and hooray, John, breaking up Christmas all night long. Way down yonder, long time ago, the old folks danced a do-si-do.
We're going to get Steve to come around and sing a gospel song called The Old Country Church. Okay. There's a place near me, right?
There's a place dear to me where I'm longing to be with my friends at the old country church. There with mother we went and our Sundays we spent with my friends at the old country church. Precious years of memories, oh what joy they bring to me. How I long once more to be with my friends at the old country church. As a small country boy, oh my heart was filled with joy when I knelt in the old country church, and the Savior above by his wonderful love saved my soul in the old country church. Precious years of memories, oh what best as we did in the old country church. Precious years of memories. Oh, what joy they bring to me. How I long once more to be with my friends at the old country church. With my friends at the old country church.
Thank y'all. Thank you so much.
The Zephyr Lightning Bolts. Great old-time band. Thanks, guys, for coming to our festival. Hope you come back again and join us.